Hello viewers, welcome to Zero Training. Today we are going to learn these things like we're going to inject some capital and we'll be importing some items and we'll be adding the suppliers and then we'll be purchasing these items from the suppliers and we'll be making the payments to the suppliers. We'll be selling these items and we'll be collecting the sales and the sales proceeds. This is what exactly we're going to see now today. So let's start. First thing first, already in this organization, Sovereign Communication, if you see, okay, we have some share capital already. We have a bank account, we have a cash in hand, we have the business current account where we have balance, and the ledger balance we have 693,800. And so, what are the transactions that we have already made in this account? So, if you go to account transaction under the report section, and then we will be able to see that okay, we have some transactions in the owner share capital fund, like owner share capital, and like financial year. Okay, started this year from 2017, 1st of July, and the accounting year is July to June. We already have received some capital of 1 million capital, 1 million. We have received from two shareholders, and one is Ayan Shams Rahman and one is Shamsur Rahman. So we have already received this, okay. And now we are going to receive some few more capital from another shareholder, Tahmidur Rahman. So what we're going to do, we'll be going to the plus button and receive money and receiving this capital into the bank account directly. So the business current account, next. And we have already added, okay, so the from is Tahmidul Rahman. And let's say we are receiving this capital on 5th of July. And the reference is the check number of Tahmid's account, which is one. And we have already added share subscription as item. So we already know, and we know that okay, unit price of share is 100 taka, and Tamid is purchasing, let's say, 2,000 shares. Okay, so we just save. We received few more capitals, 200,000 from Tamid now. Okay, and the next thing we are going to add like items, okay. And this sovereign communication is actually e-commerce business. It has an on-site store, and at the same time, it has a off-site store as well, and it sells online as well. So we have few more items. If you go to inventory, you'll be able to see that okay, how many items we have. So accounts, inventory, and items. We already have few items, like we have Hot Wheels car, and that is KT. That means the kids toys. That is the category KT001. We have men shoe 001, which is a loafer, and we have women shari, Jamdani shari, which is WS001. Now let's say SL, woman WSL. So women's salwar kameez. That is a new item we are going to add. And so WSL, women's salwar kameez, and 001 is the code. And so Kashmiri salwar. Let's say this is the item. Track this in inventory. We purchase this, and the unit price is 2,560 taka, and 2,560 cost of goods sold is cost of goods sold. And we have input tax here, Kashmiri salwar kameez, and we sell this for 4,200 and the sales account. Okay, and we have the output VAT here. All right, so you're going to save this item, and we are going to now we are going to go to the customer or supplier. Okay, supplier, and let's say that okay, we have add contact, and we have cotton gallery. Cotton gallery. This is the supplier who supplies me the Kashmiri salwar kameez, and primary person is Shaukat. Shaukat Khan. And what do we have here? We have so many items like financial details. We can set some default for Shaukat Khan or for Shaukat and Gallery. We can set some default things from here. If we do not do anything, that's perfectly fine, because we can also put this information in the actual form, the sales form or purchase order form, where we'll be able to put this form. But if we do here, then what will happen? Those items will be automatically populated, so the data entry will be easier. Okay, so these are few things. Okay, so if we say that, okay, purchase settings, so we say that, okay, from Cotton Gallery it's no tax. So obviously whenever we are actually sending, or we are we are inputting a bill, we'll see that there is no tax for Cotton Gallery, like that. And the default account number, tax ID number, sales account discount number, like that. So let's say we have, from Cotton Gallery we have tax exclusive. Okay, so and we save it now. Save now. Cotton Gallery is saved. And if we sometimes we follow the business process and we give them the purchase order. Sometimes we do not give purchase order. We enter direct bills, like that. So for this particular Cotton Gallery and this particular item, let's say that, okay, we will have the purchase order. So from where we can add this purchase order? From this plus button, and then we will have purchase order. Okay. And in the purchase order section, obviously we'll have the contact name as Cotton COT, Cotton Gallery. And let's say 10th of July we are giving this purchase order, and the delivery date is 15th of July. Okay, and this is the purchase order number 2, because we already have a purchase order. And the reference, fine, the reference is absolutely whatever is the reference. And you can, if you have some internal documentation and you want to keep track of, and you want to make it like keep a store, so you can use this particular function. From here you can upload the file. And if you have the file, like you have the internal memo in a document, you have scanned them. And let's say that, okay, you have this file in here. And let's say that, okay, uh, this is your purchase order. So actually this will be there. Okay, and the purchase order is there. Your internal, not purchase order, the internal documentation for the purchase order. And the item, you know that, okay, salwar kameez, right? So SALO, Kashmiri salwar kameez. And you have, I mean, here you don't see that, okay, how much you have in hand or not, because it is the purchase order. In this level, it is not, it is not a, it is a non-posting item. We call it a non-posting item. So purchase order. Now let's say you're going to order 25 pieces of this salwar kameez. And so this is the amount. And attention, you can put attention, you can put the telephone number, you can give the delivery instruction as well. If you have any delivery instruction, you can give the delivery instruction here. Okay, and so please deliver after on the delivery date. Okay, because there's some traffic, you have some customers, your shop is open up till 8, so you want to make sure that, okay, you'd like to take this product delivered at your place after 8 p.m. So like that. And then what you do, you just approve it. Okay, so you approve the purchase order and Marcus build or send. If you hit send, so obviously there should be an email where you're going to send this. And if you don't have, the email, but you want to send this as a, like, so Marcus send and print. So you print PDF, and then you can send the hard copy, the actual copy, to Cotton Gallery, right? So you'll be able to see the copy itself. So this is the purchase order. This is your logo. This is purchase order, Cotton Gallery. You have not put any information for Cotton Gallery. If you have put the information, then it will be displayed here. And this is this is exactly purchase order and the delivery details. You see the delivery instruction is please deliver after 8 p.m. on the delivery day. This is what can happen, what you can see from here. Okay, and now let's say this purchase order, you have so many other purchase orders and everything, and you forget about this particular purchase order, but you have a bill from Cotton Gallery. Okay, so you have the bill, and you're going to enter the bill from Cotton Gallery. You're going to enter the bill. So from where? From Cotton Gallery, right? And as soon as you put Cotton Gallery, then this pops up. The purchase order PO0002 is outstanding from the supplier. So is it the same thing? Okay, so yeah, it's the same thing. So copy the line items to the bills. Okay, and mark as bill. That purchase order is already marked as bill, and you have this purchase order here. So you have the bill here, and you just approve the bill. And as you approve the bill, if you see the journal, so as you have approved the bill, automatically the journal report, if you see here, and this is the July, right? So July, you'll be able to see some other journals as well, but Tahmidur Rahman, posted by Shamsul Rahman. Okay, so uh, okay, so this is the 5th of July. We just received the capital. That is the journal here, and then again we have the journal for so the other journal for bill, right? Okay, the Shari House, Kalna Ghor. Oh, this is August. I'm so sorry. So we need to edit the bill for the date. Okay, we didn't change the date. Okay, so let's say this is of 10th of July. We received it, and due date. Let's say okay, 3rd August is due date. No problem. Okay, update and update. Now you have the cotton gallery, 10th of July. Okay, this is the journal. Fine. Now you're going to make the payment. Okay, you're going to make the payment to Cotton Gallery, and so you're paying this on, let's say, 20th of July, and you're not paying full. You're paying, let's say, 50,000. 50,000. Okay, and you're paying from the bank account, and the reference is the check number at payment. Okay, so this is paid, and you have another bill which is overdue already, and you made a partial payment because this is paid and this is what you have. And if you go to journal, you get to see that okay, the payment has been made. So accounts payable has been debited, and the business current account has been credited. Okay, so this is how you see that okay, you have added the item, and you have made some partial payment, and this is how you will be able to see the journals and everything. Okay, and now in the next recording, what we're going to see that okay, how we are going to sell this item. Okay, all right.